So we're going to learn how to do a slide. So I'm going to open up my Google Classroom. Down here I've already got a bookmark set for my demo student. So when I open it up, it's going to open up Google Slides. It's got a blank sheet of paper. The directions are down here below. We're going to add two rectangles. We're going to decorate them with lines, shapes, and words. We're going to grab a clip art from the internet. We're going to put our name on it. So I've got the blank sheet of paper. I'm going to go over to, we can start with shapes. I'm going to go grab a rectangle. I'm going to go make my rectangle look like a bookmark. There we go. I'm then going to go over, click on my second one. This one I want with a curved side. So I'll go up here, same thing, not too wide. You can see those lines there about the same size. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go put my name on it. There we go. And I can then go up, make my name a little bit bigger. There we go. I can copy that box. I can put this box over here, copy and paste. Now I get two bookmarks. I can then go over and change my font to something a little bit more decorative. I can go change my A to a color. Got my name, looks a little bit better. I will go click on this one, make my box big. Find a different font. Yeah, there we go. Come over here, find a different dark color where I've got my name. Now we can go ahead and decorate it with some lines and shapes. So I can look down here. I've got some call outs. I've got some arrows. I've got some different. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a smiley face. Let's see. With that, I'm going to go over to my fill color and make him yellow. There we go. And so we've got a smiley face there in the middle of it. I'm going to take my words, put them in the middle so it looks a little bit better. Take my words, put them in the middle there. I'm going to go over, find a different shape. Let's see, we want a heart on this one. There we go. So I've added some shapes now, which is awesome. I'm going to go make my lines over here blue on this one, make them a little bit thicker. There we go. So we've got some shapes. We've got our words. So I can go over here and go over to the mountain. I can then search the web, search for some clip art. So I'm going to go golf clip art, type that in. There we go. We'll put the word golf in there. We'll grab that one, 2, grab that guy, 3. Oh, I always like him, 4, 5. We'll go insert these. They're going to come in really big. I'm not going to worry about them. I'm just going to go click on it here, make it really small. Do the same thing for the rest of these, kind of get them out of the way. There we go. Click on these, decorate. I'm going to put that one down at the bottom. Go in, do this one. I'm going to double click this one and get the black lines. The reason I'm going to do that is I'm going to cut off that shadow so it makes it a little bit smaller. I'm going to grab this guy, put it right there. Put him right here, put him right here, and we then have some bookmarks right there, and I'm done. So if I wanted to at this point, since I have it, I put my name on it, I've got my clip art, I've decorated it with some shapes, I've added two rectangles, I've got my name. Now the question is how to turn it in. So if I go X out of this one, it's already got it saved. That should be my bookmark right there. I can view the assignment. I can click the turn in button right there just to double check to make sure this was done. I can click on that demo student. There it is. That's what's going to get turned in. Name, turn in the assignment. I could also print those off if I wanted to keep it at home. And there goes my assignment getting turned in. So that's how you make a bookmark.